How to unread a message on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and want to mark a message as unread, there is a way to do it, but it depends on your account type. If you have a personal account, Instagram does not allow you to mark messages as unread. However, if you switch to a professional account, you will get access to this feature. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the message icon at the top right. If you try to swipe left on a message, you will see options like mute and delete, but there will be no unread option. To enable this feature, you need to switch to a professional account. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Here, you will see an option to switch to a professional account. Tap on it and follow the on-screen steps. Instagram will ask you to choose a category, but it doesn't matter which one you select. You can choose Creator and continue through the setup. Once your account is switched, go back to the home screen and open your messages. Now, when you swipe left on a conversation, you will see an option to mark it as unread. Tap on it and the message will now appear bold, indicating that it is unread. This helps if you want to remind yourself to check a message later. That's how to unread a message on Instagram.